Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show how you can use Canva. So let's get started. At first, you'll have to take a browser. Okay, I'm going to take a browser Google Chrome. And now you'll have to write in the address bar canva.com and now enter. Okay, you will get such an interface, and it will be better if you at first sign up from here. Otherwise, you will face so many difficulties. You can't use Canva properly. So let's get started. Okay, you can sign up from here using your Google account, using your Facebook account, or using your Apple account, or you can use here your individual email. Okay, I'm going to use my individual email from here. Just click on it. Now you'll have to put here email. I'm going to put here my email. Okay, now continue. And now you'll have to put here your name. And now you'll have to put here the password. Remember, it will be better if you put here a strong password. You can use here capital, small letter. You can use here number. You can use here hash at the rate of or any other symbol. Okay, now get started. Okay, now you'll have to open your email. Which email you already used here. A code has been sent to your email. Okay, let me open the email. Okay, here Canva has sent me a code. The code is 367645. Remember, it will not long last. Just the code has been sent to you for a temporary, for a few moments or for a few minutes. Okay, now I copied the code, and here I'm going to paste. Okay, the Canva account has been created. Okay, now you can use Canva for graphics design. Okay, here are so many options. You can use student, teacher, small business. Okay, I'm going to use this Canva as a student, so click on it. Okay, and now it will be better if you use here others. Continue. You can skip it. Okay, at first from here you have to choose a template. Okay, I'm going to check this template. Okay, now you can go to the home. Okay, remind me later. Okay, from here you can see there are so many options, and already the account has been created. From here you can create a design, or from here you can take so many templates, features, learn, pricing. Okay, and now I'm going to home, and I am going to all your designs. Okay, now I'm going to create a design. From here you can check any of this. Okay, I took a logo. Okay, next, and got it. This is the page where you can create a logo. Or if you want, you can check from here a custom size. Just click on file and create new design, and you can check from here custom size. Otherwise you can use these options from here. Custom size, here you have to the width size. Okay, I'm going to take the size 500 and the height will be 400 pixel. Okay, here you can see in mmcm. Okay, I like to use pixel and create a new design. I got it. This is the face, and the size is 500 into 400. And to the top left side you can see so many options here: template, elements, upload text, and more. And here from here you can see resize. You can see this is the size, the page size of the page. And try Canva for Pro. That means you can buy Canva using your dollar. You can share it, and from here you can download. If you click it, there you can so many options here, but now it is not usable. At first I will have to create something, and from this three dot you will see so many things. Okay, now at first I'm going to change the color. Okay, I'm going to change the color. Okay, yellow color. Or from here you can take any color, red, white, green. And now I'm going to take an element. There are so many elements: lines and shapes, graphics, photos, videos. Okay, but you should remember that all elements are not free. There are so many elements which are pro. That means if you want to use, you have to pay instead of using that elements. Okay, I'm going to use these frames. When you will click on it, it will be automatically set in the face. You can choose these frames, grids. Okay, now I will set an image. Just click on upload, and now upload to media. When you will click upload media, then it will take to you in your PC. Okay, I'm going to my desktop, and from here I select this image. It is being uploaded here. And when it is completed, then it will be showed here. Okay, just click on it, and this picture will be automatically set on the face. You can resize it. You can resize it, or you can resize by this way. Okay, it has been set in the frame. Okay, now you can move it. Okay, now I'm going to write something, and this is why you have to click on text. When you're finished clicking on the text, then you can see here are so many options. You can check these options or take these options. Okay, I'm going to check these options. Add a heading. Okay, now write Sagar Haldar. You can move it anyhow of the page. And if you want to change the color of the writing, then you will have to click on here, and from here you can take any color. And if you want to reset the font size, just you can use plus and minus. or you can check custom size like 50. And okay, my name has been larged. And if you want to use the italic, then click on I. And if you want to send the font name, just click here this on this arrow, and you will get here so many font. I think this font's name will be perfect. Okay, now I'm going to check another elements. Okay, elements, this is free elements. Okay, you can resize the elements, or you can, from here you can rotate the element. You can enlarge the element by this way, or you can change the color of this frame. Just click on here and it will be red. Okay, I set it just like this. You can use more and more frames where, or you can use from here grid. Okay, from here you can delete which you don't like from here. And if you want to duplicate the face, just you have to click here, duplicate face. And if you add another face, just click on this icon, plus icon, just like this, duplicate face. There you can see two pages here. Both pages are same. Okay, I'm going to delete one of this face and add face, but these both pages will not be same. And if you duplicate the page, the both pages will be same, and when you will add another page, the pages will not be same. Okay, I'm gonna delete again. And from here you can lock the frames. When you will lock the frames, the frame will not move here and there. And you can again unlock. When you will, or you unlock, it will move here and there. And by these options you can make a link, and from these options you can create the transparency. Of course you can see, or when you will click on the writing, then the click on effects, you can take any style from here. And from the three dots you can check, or you can enlarge the transparency. Okay, I'm going to increase the transparency of the writing 100%. Okay, dear viewers, you can use Canva for graphics design. From here you can create any logo, banner, YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail, or Facebook banner, whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Okay, and now I don't waste my time here, and now I want to download this logo. And you'll have to go to download, and from here you can change PNG format, JPG format, PDF standard, PDF print, Okay, I'm going to download this logo as PNG format. Just click on download. Okay, you can cross it and you can see it has been downloaded from here. Let me open it. Yes, this is my logo. Actually, I didn't give much time on creating this logo. This is why it doesn't look awesome. But if you give much time on creating any graphics design like logo banner or YouTube channel or thumbnail or Facebook banner or any other else, the graphics design will be good looking. So dear guys, I hope from now you can use Canva for your graphics design, and when you will finish it, then you will have to download from here. I hope you could learn something from this video, and if you learn something from this video, of course you will subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So have a nice moment. Thank you.